All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors, over here in beautiful Newport Beach. Got this hand distressed, dark stained walnut, and we're gonna make it beautiful, flat, natural. But you can see the almost kind of looks like with the hand distressing, it almost looks waxy. Doing everything. This room here, we had some repairs we did upstairs. Did you see that? Yeah. Look at that. See that? That's all going to be gone. Upstairs is ready to be coated, but I'm going to show you. All that's going to be gone. But here's what it's going to look like. Boom! Beautiful. So we just started sanding this, so I want you to see it. Got to sand it several more times. But look at the difference. You can see the beautiful walnut. Just crazy difference. Here's what it used to look like. See the hand distressing, waxy plastic look. We have to sand it on the angles because so much sanding to get it flat. But it's worth it. Look at that. So worth it. Kind of going down the hallway. This room would be next. All of this is just going to change the entire look of the house. All these steps are, we're in the middle of sanding them. Upstairs, almost ready to start coating it. But look at the difference. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned. This was all hand distressed, super dark, and now it's just a beautiful natural walnut. Excited for you guys to see it. Look at that. See the difference? Look at that. Whew. Look at that. Right there. Bam! Beautiful. All right, guys. Stay tuned for the finished product.